I'm going to show you how I style my plaits. These are 3 strand plaits, and I'm going to style them and show you how I style these. The brush handle. This is what my hair looks like with the plaits. I have plaits in. They are 3 strand plaits. Let me show you what the back looks like before I style it. What I do, I go like this. And I just want to put them that way so they can come out. And I will fluff it to make sure it comes out looking nice. I'm not combing it out. Sometimes I do comb it out, but I'm not combing it out. I'm just using my hands to like make sure the parts are covered where I separated the hair and make sure it looks beautiful. I'm looking in the mirror because I need to see what I am doing so I can show you the right way. I just play with this where everything was separated so I can cover it as much as possible. And this is the hairstyle. Let's see the back. This is what the hair looks like.